are back to the maths class. We were in the lesson division, lesson number 5, division, correct? I have told you that we will continue with word problems in division. Before that, let me confirm one thing. Are you all learning tables? Yes, by this year end, you should know tables up to 20. Please keep this in mind. Learn tables up to 20. Now, how to learn? Daily writing and reciting the tables is compulsory. Okay, do it. Now, you can open your textbook page number 123. Open page number 123. Yes. What are you seeing there? There is exercise 5.2. Okay, I will read out the question. You just listen, keep your finger on what I am reading. Read in your mind and then we will solve the sum. You can solve it in rough book if you want. Evening you can copy it in your classwork after I send the notes. Okay? Yes, let us start. First sum. 1026 students were going for a camp in a bus. You also have gone to trips, correct? Yes, they also are going for a camp. Camp is wherein children go out and stay there. Maybe some days they stay. Which can accommodate 50 students. Now, find the total number of buses needed. There are many children. 1026 students are there. They have buses where each bus 50 students can go. So, we have to find out how many such buses are needed. Yes? Okay. Now, what is to be done here? Tell me what is to be done? Yes, you have to find out how many buses. So, if many is given, you have to find how many are required. Many students are there. How many buses are required? For that, what you have to do? Yes, it is division. First, some answer I am writing. Take down number of students. How many number of students are there? 1026. Then students in one bus. How many students can go in one bus? How many? It is 50. Yes, now what you have to do? It is division. Many to 1. So 1 it is given. For many you have to find out. How do we divide now? 50 is given here. Ma'am, it is a big number. But I think 50 you can find out easily. Into 2, into 3. It is very easy. 5 on side you know. 1 0 you have to put to its right side. So obviously first two numbers you cannot divide by 50 because it is very less than 50. Then take 3 numbers, 3 digits. 50 2s are 5 2s are 10. So 50 2s are 100. See, just see 52. How did I tell you to multiply? I hope you remember. 5 2s are. Close the 0. 5 2s are 10. Put this 0. So it is 100. So 50 2s are 100. And 2 is remaining here. Then 6 you bring down. Now 26 is less than 50. So obviously when you have anything remaining less than the divisor, you cannot divide. If you have less than what you want to give or what you want as to be taken, you cannot, correct? 50 you need in one bus, but only 26. So you cannot consider it. You cannot divide henceforth. So you brought down. So you will take one 0 here. You brought down a number and you cannot divide. I think you remember when I told you division. When you bring down a number and you cannot divide, you have to put a 0 in the quotient. Yes? Now, this is over. But 26 here, obviously you may tell ma'am, 1026 divided by 50 is 20. 26 is the remainder. Where it is a sum, it is different case. But here, it is students are going on a camp. Suppose you all are going to a picnic or camp and 26 of you remain. In that you are the one. How you will feel? You may feel, why is map not taking me? Just because there is no place in the bus. So, here we have to consider 20 plus 1 bus. It is required because these students, remaining students have to be taken. So you can tell that 21 buses are needed. Okay, this actually when you do the sum, this is correct. 20 is the quotient, 26 is the remainder. But here students are taken for a camp where buses we have to count. So one extra bus you have to take take these 26 students. So 21 buses are needed. This is what you can give it as an answer. Is it okay? Yes. Now go to the next sum. I'll read out the next sum. Keep your finger on the sum. Yes. The product of two numbers is 9300. What is product now? Answer of multiplication. Right? Yes. So, they are given the answer of multiplication as 9300. If one of the number is 25, find the other number. So obviously you get an answer of multiplication when you multiply two numbers. Correct? Now one number they have given. We have to find the other number. Okay, let us note down now. So product of two numbers is 9300. Correct? Check in your books. Then one of the number is, and what is the one of the numbers? It is 25. Now we have to find the other number. How do we do? Let me give you an example. 9 into something is 18. How do you find out what it is? Yes, 18 divided by 9, you get 2. But you may say, ma'am, by seeing only we can tell it is 2. Why you are dividing? It is in the case of smaller numbers. But when you get bigger numbers like this, actually this sum is like this, 9300. Okay, no, product 25 into something is 9300. Now, this something we have to find. So, 9300 divided by 25, you get the answer. Is it understood now? Why we are dividing? Yes. So, you can divide now. 9300 divided by 25. Yes, 25 tables is very easy, correct? Yes or no? So, 25, 1s are, 2s are 50, 3s are 75. If you want, you can try. The method which I told was this number 2 into what is very near to 9. 2 4s are, correct? You can try with that also. 25 4s are Just multiply. 5 fours are 20, 0. 2 carry. 4 twos are 8 plus 2, 10. It is very much more. So, we can avoid that you can't. So, 25 threes are. I told you when it becomes more answer, you have to go one number back. Threes are. 5 threes are 15. 1 carry. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. So, threes are 75. Now, borrow. 8, 13. 13 minus 5. Where you have borrowed and it becomes 8. 9 becomes 8. Now, 13 minus 5. 13 in mind, 5 in hand. How do you subtract? Before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So, 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now, bring this 0 down. 25 into what is very near to 18 or 180. 2 into what is very near to 18? 9s are. So, just try. 25 into 9. Multiply and tell me. 9 5s are 45. 5 4 carry. 9 2s are 18 plus 4 19 20 21 22 225. Can you? No. So 25 into 8. Can you? Let us try. 8 5s are 40. 0 4 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. Can you? Can't. So 25 into 7. Just it is all mind calculation that you have to learn. 5 7s are 35. 3 carry. Yes, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. This will work. So 25 7s are 175. Subtract. 8 you cancel. Make it 7. 1 borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now, one more 0 is remaining. Bring it down. 25. 2s are 50. So, what is the answer? You can write. Therefore, the other number is, what is the other number? 372. Working column, you take it written that side in your books, okay? Leave place for statement. Therefore, the other number is 372. Yes? Okay. Now, we are in the third sum. I'll read out, children. You have to read out on your own also and understand the sum. Okay? For the sports day, 648 trophies are to be arranged on a table. If 12 trophies are arranged in a row, how many rows of trophies will be there on the table? Trophies are there, you know, sports day, all prizes will be arranged. You will be eager to take the prizes, correct? Yes, here also it is same thing is happening. You imagine our sports day, 648 trophies are there. They have to be kept neatly, isn't it? During prize distribution, we will send it one by one. Now they are telling in a row 12 can be arranged. So how many rows of trophies we need? How to find out now? Yes, just think about it. What can we do? Yes, many trophies are there and one row is given. So you have to find out how many rows are required. For that, you have to do division. Yes? take down the details given. Number of trophies. How many number of trophies are there? 648. Correct? Yes. So many are given. You have to find how many. Many is divided by 1. You will get many rows, which you will find out. Okay? Yes. So number of trophies 648. Note down the number properly, children. Then number of trophies in each row. How many trophies? 12. Then we have to find the number of rows. So you have to divide 648 divided by 12. 12, I think 12 tables you should know. I am not going to multiply and see and tell you. So it is 12. 5s are 60. Then 12 into what is 48? Very easy. 12 tables you should know by now. 12 rows are 48. So, how many rows are required? Yes, 54. Therefore, 54 rows are needed to arrange 648 trophies. Is it clear, children? Yes? Okay. Now, we have solved 3 word problems. I want you to read once, then first you listen to this video, then read the sum once, you solve it on your own and try to understand how word problem in division comes. Okay, we will meet in the next class with some more word problems. Extra sums I am going to give you, that we will do it in the next class. Is it okay? Yes. Thank you, children.